Okay, so let's take a look at a story problem here. If you invest $250 at a rate of 4.5%, and this is quarterly. So this means every 3 months. How long is it going to take for this to be $500? For our amount to double? Well, if you remember the formula A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of N T. We're going to plug it into here. R is our rate, N is the number of times compounded per year, and T is the number of years. So A, the amount that we want to reach is 500, that's our goal. The amount that we're investing is $250, that goes in for P. Times 1 plus our rate is 4.5%, so that's going to be 0.045. And we're compounding this quarterly, so we're going to divide this by 4. We're going to raise this to the power of 4, power of n, and we're actually going to solve this in terms of n. So we're actually going to solve this in terms of how many quarters is this going to take. How many 3-month units is this going to take for our initial amount to equal this? So n equals the number of 3-month units. That's n. Okay, so we'll just divide both sides by 250. This side just becomes 2. We're left with this. We can use a calculator to get a decimal for this value here. So let's do that. And we'll get 2 equals 1.01125 to the power of n. Okay, to solve for a variable that's in the exponent, we use logarithms. So we'll just take the log of both sides. Log of 2 equals the log of 1.01125 to the power of n. We can now use our power rule to bring n out front. So we're going to bring n out front. We'll have log of 2 equals n log 1.01125. And now we can divide this side by the log of 1.01125. That will cancel, and divide this side by the log of 1.01125. So n equals log of 2 divided by the log of 1.01125. We can evaluate this in our calculator. We will get log of 2. I'm getting 61.6. This is quarters, so this is 3-month units. If we wanted to find out how many years this would be, Well, we would just divide this by 4. So why don't we do that? And we see we get about 15.5 years. Oftentimes problems will ask you to say, after how many years will your value reach what you want? In this case, $500, or in how many years will our initial investment of $250 reach $500? 15.5 years, well, after 15 years, no, it wouldn't get there, but after 16 years, we would be a little higher than $500, so that would be what we would find out, how we would do that. So I hope that's helpful. You are ready, you can now begin the homework, and if you'd like to see some more videos or some more example problems worked out, I'll have another video with a few more worked out so you can see some more examples, and we'll be good to go. Thank you.